Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming current free space and identifying big folders so your work targets real wins. Run your OS Storage Analyzer or a quick do command. Note folders over 1 GB. Once done, back up any critical documents to an external drive or cloud. Make sure you can restore if needed. Then immediately empty the recycle bin or trash and clear browser caches to reclaim space fast. These first steps cut clutter and reduce risk. You now remove the heavy hitters. Uninstall unused apps and built-in bloat, because large apps often waste tens of GB. Use a duplicates finder or sort by size to remove duplicate photos, videos, and archives. Confirm before deleting. Next, clean temporary files, logs, and reduce system, restore snapshots or rollbacks to free substantial space. If you use mail or photo libraries, compact or archive older items to external storage. This prevents regrowth of the problem. Finish by moving seldom-used large files, raw video, ISO archives, to external drives or cloud, and set an archive schedule to prevent clutter from returning. Then run a disk health check and perform trim or defragmentation if your drive type benefits from it. This improves performance and reclaims space. If you still see low space, run a directory scanner or do H to find hidden large files and delete or relocate them. Troubleshooting tip. If usage won't budge, check for rogue log growth or mounted disk images consuming space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.